This tutorial will focus on the loop actions. Let's make a copy of our 112 workflow. Select your new workflow, right-click and rename. Let's call this one 1.13 loop. Hide the Model Explorer, open your component palette. Let's start by moving this RFC dataset right here. And bring out the execute SQL action. Make the RFCs the source one. And a new result will come out. Enter your RFC. Click Save. Run the workflow. Okay. Let's convert this table to an RFC destination using the Convert Data action. And let's relabel this result Filtered RFCs. So this is a table. I can see it here in my property editor. So that will be the in table. And we'll have an out RFC destination. Okay. Run the action only. Let's bring out the read SAP table action. Link RFC destination to your out RFC destination. Edit the table name. Let's look at USR02. And we'll have a new table results. And let's relabel this USR02 results. Run that action only. The objective here is to get all the active accounts. So I'm going to look for my dialog accounts where the user type is A and my U flag is 0, not locked. To get active accounts, you may want to take a look at the valid to date as well, but that's not a field I'm using. So user type equals A, U flag equals 0. I'm going to relabel this result active accounts. So 65 active dialog accounts. Next, I want to bring in a new field called RFC and populate it with the RFC name. Insert a new row. Okay, that worked. Now, add another row. Click Save. Alright, I'm going to select these two actions, move them to here, and bring another convert data action to right here. I'm going to convert this RFC destination to a string. Then link the string to my string 1 here. Okay, so here's what the workflow looks like so far. Let's give the whole thing a run. So I have my RFC name in here, and essentially what I want is a 2-column report of the RFC and the count. So what I want to do now is loop in 3 RFCs and get the count of active accounts per RFC. Type in loop. Let's bring the start loop collect action out. And I'm going to close my component palette. My source will be the filtered RFCs. I'll have a new table. Now I have to redirect this link here to the result table row. And let's bring in the other 2 RFCs. And then the end loop action. And I'm just relabeling these result data sets. Okay, I think that's the complete workflow. Let's give it a go. So I can see it looping through each RFC, collecting all of the active accounts.